Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Complete Python course for beginners. If you haven't met me yet, I'm really glad you're here. I'll be your guide throughout this course. In the previous video, we installed the standard Python interpreter. Now, it's time to set up our work environment, where we'll actually write our Python code. To write code, we need a text editor. You can technically use a simple one, like Notepad on Windows. But I highly recommend using something much better, a proper code editor. There are many good ones out there, such as Sublime Text or Atom. But the one I personally use, and the one I'll use in this course, is Visual Studio Code. It's free, it's powerful, and it's available on all operating systems. So, let's install Visual Studio Code. Go to the official website, code.visualstudio.com. Then click on Download and choose your operating system. I'm using a Mac with Apple Silicon, so I'll download that version. If you're on Windows, simply download the Windows installer and run it. After downloading, just follow the steps on screen. On a Mac, open the zip file, then drag Visual Studio Code into your Applications folder. I already have Visual Studio Code installed in my applications, so I don't need to do this step. Next, let's create a new folder for our project. On your desktop, right-click and choose New Folder. Name it something like Learn Python. Once installed, open VScode. You should see a clean interface that looks something like this. Close the Welcome screen, then go to the File menu and choose Open Folder. Navigate to your desktop, select the folder called Learn Python, and click Open. On Mac, you might be asked to give Visual Studio Code permission to access the desktop folder. Click Allow. You might also be asked whether you trust this workspace. Choose Yes, I trust. Once that's done, we can create our first Python file. On the left side, next to the folder name, click the New File icon. Name the file app.py. That's app.py. You can call it anything you like, but it has to end with .py, which tells the computer it's a Python file. Now let's test that everything works. Inside the new file, type print Hello, Python. Then save the file using Command-S on Mac or Control-S on Windows. To run the program, open the terminal. You can open it directly inside Visual Studio Code. Go to the Terminal menu and choose New Terminal. You'll see the terminal open at the bottom of the screen in the correct folder. Now type Python 3 space app.py and press Enter. If everything is working correctly, you should see the message, Hello Python. If something didn't work or you got stuck, feel free to write a comment below. I'll be happy to help. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who want to learn Python. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.